2-ingredient truffles. This is so simple. Absolutely love it. We've got our sweetened condensed milk. Baking cocoa. This is unsweetened baking cocoa. You want 1 cup. You're just going to sift it so that, see all those lumps? Just so all the lumps get out. They'll come out. It's just making them smooth. See? Isn't that glorious? All right, and then we're going to stir this together. Okay, I splat it all over because I didn't use a big enough bowl. What I would do is next time use a larger bowl like this. I don't know what I was thinking. I hadn't had enough tea this morning yet, dear. Tea break. Refreshing. Okay, back to the... Okay, so you just want to get this all mixed in nice like that. Look, doesn't that look delicious?
Yes.
All right, now we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it set up for an hour or 2 till it's really firm, and then we're going to make our truffles. Okay. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, I've got my 2-ingredient truffles here. Take a little spoonful, roll it into a bowl, just like that. Roll it into your cocoa, and there you have your truffle.